rape katal ko kya hai da daily no khana usan every day at least kaisa rape case le changkhana khana but recently Tripura kaitham rape cases in a row no joto no shaima khana news rogo no bitongna khana kana sana thanga kai Tripura third smallest state happen as tabu rape cases asak kabang ngai tong reason tamo wan chungna nangosam rape tabung shimi different shimi borogo hasteo asai theka afron shimi ngai tong khoroksano shamatung you can't change the world but I guess we can change what wrong is happening around us. At least we should give it a try. Sana thangang ke tosike ko kabang shalsa baisha se sabaigla. But ang tini norok bai kisa short o no kogro share khaina musu. Jeffrey Ching rape case ne khanao. Aro kaitham topic tong. First ang ka victim je rape thaizang nai. Second angka the accused or the culprit Jerip Kleinai or Kleinai rock. Third angka public, the society. Chen. I think the third one plays the biggest role. Ang puila na shana masong rape case of victim ni kuno chaya kare. Rape thaizang nahi kuno chaya kare rape case because rape ni kuno criteria kare. It has nothing to do with nin color, what profession are you in, nang bo race, bo caste, bo religion na follow khai, tam kan, tam chum, tam koksa, bo hasteo tong. It has nothing to do with it. The sole and only reason rape case is the culprit's mind. Je rapist ne wan shugmo. Rape ne one and only sole reason ang kabi ne wan shugmo. The mentality of the rapist. And it doesn't go for any age, size, place, religion, caste or anything. Jeffrey rape angai thango changwan chungna namu. Je rape thaizang nai. Bo first to physical trauma te malayo, then the mental trauma. Am pore society go bona a place so beruwi ro bona place so asugre ro shana thang ke jizaga bo judge khaizago. So I think oro rape angai se thang ka hangke jengte kun thlaime it's already done. Chinia go kun kare je chang bona ki fili asri rot lang thang mane jizaga bo normal feel khayana. But at least we can try. Being a human, I think it's right to do what is right for a human at least. At least chingamo to klaiman bile. But recently, Anugui Tongmani, what I have seen and heard, it's shocking. Chin borok. Repo chin borok buni borok alka jagan borok hani kuno kari. Rape thlaizaka je rape thlaizang nai tongo je rape thlaika borok tongo but azaga chini kok shathai chini wan sukmong bahai amo bongno by effect khayo especially je rape thlaizang nai no rape ma pore first tamoba first angka we have to look into their health care first je rape thlaizang nai chang bona first health wise nai ruwai nai kolai jinok ni borok help khaina nangu bono so that bo health wise recover khain thang first bo health wise recover khai kan ke se nang bono mentally recover khai manani family ni support it's so important am porichin society ni support that is also important Chingtini Shinobi Tongo, rape cases count Kaizaka, 3 cases Sangai Thanka. Sabu Simante Bukabang cases Tong registered here. Jabarok Sanabagi Nokori family Baskango reason Tamo Bachang. We are the reason. Because we don't blame the culprit, we blame the victim. And actually the third point, society ni chini role no na ang focus khaina masung tebo. Because it's hard to see boro khorak sa ri fly paiza gai boi bono bini mental trauma te bahai ke recover khaine help khaya woi te bosi trauma ro botangi thangka botang yakeng khamong bomti di kan yakeng khamong bo omti khai thangi paima bagino tini omti kha. So what would you say jefro 3 months ni charai rape like hibzago? What will you say jefro 7 years ni charai rape like hibzago? What will you say when a 65-year-old lady is raped? Or ni ri chumma kanma nang bora thang bufru thang shabo bai thang tangi thang matter khaya. It has nothing to do with whom, what, where. The only question here is why. Tangi rape khai jangai. Shana thangit nang cheng ama chalarok bos haimano borerok bos haimano cheng kabang jaga no gunang nang lama te himi thang kang ka hordi bodo chalarok himi thang tongu berayo, and it's okay. Nang chalarok no lama shuti mashidin nung nai, and I think that's totally okay with the society because bong na ke question khaya tangi because borok chalarok. Imagine the same borerok bai bohordi bodo jodi thangi himi tongka kun jaga lama borok kare. I know precaution nana nangu amna chano firang jago. Then what would you say JK so nijin nogono rape like hip jago tam precaution nana ya barera je jaga borong nijini kabang news ching nugui tongu. Recently Bishal Goro Jeng Mani was raped by her own father. Kabang jaga relative rape khai kabang jaga friend khai kabang jaga boyfriend khai kabang jaga husband bo khai rape. What will you talk about that? Kok shakang ke kok sabaya main kok kyaman but ang kasha kok no sana mo sungo rape ang mani uklogo the sole and only reason is the mentality. Je rapist ni wan shugmung or a victim ni wan shugmung rikan mung chumung bo color bo profession kun matter khaya. Rapist ni wan shugmung shimi se matter khayo bin wan shugmung shitra ma bagi simino rape angu te kono reason kari rape ang mani. And what as a society jeng tamo klaiman we have to support chinis hamong kaisa no jeng as a society abarino support khaina ni so that next time ke bu victim mang khake nogo kiri jage lachi jage I ano bahai ke no sawan hane asubita tongtha. Don't let that happen. Jengni thanga chengamon ki phir tui me at least jibas kango tamo phai tong tamo ungiman amono to salaiman ble ang tini noro bai asno kok shalai na mosungu te kaise ko bang sana mosungu last among kha. I think it's high time that we have to teach the boys because we're done teaching women about precaution, dress, profession, timing and everything. I think ching farang mawa na chayang and that is the reason it's still happening. We don't have to teach girls, we have to teach the boys. Humble.